Hello everyone and welcome. This week we'll be making a Persian-style lentil soup. It's super easy to make, it tastes amazing, and it's probably going to use the least amount of dishes that I've made in the show so far. So let's get started. Peel a few pieces of garlic, then get out your garlic press. We won't be blending the soup, so try not to leave any large pieces. In the same theme, peel and dice your onions into small pieces. Get out your potatoes. I probably wouldn't peel them if I were only cooking for myself, but I want to impress you. And then we want to aim for small cubes so the potato chunks will mix nicely with the other ingredients in each spoonful. Prepare your spices. For Adasi, we'll only need salt, pepper, cardamom, and turmeric. In a large pot, heat up some ghee or clarified butter or lard. You can use olive oil for a less flavorful vegan option. You don't have to tell anybody. Fry up the garlic and onions until they turn soft and golden, about 5 minutes. And then add your ramekin of flavor. Add the potatoes to the party and stir to introduce. Remember, you can always spice up a party by stirring the pot. For best results, leave the potatoes on heat for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they lightly brown. This will give them some texture in the final soup. Add your rinsed lentils and continue to stir the pot. When given the option, always choose to stir the pot. Add in your stock and let it boil until the lentils are soft and the potatoes are cooked, usually about 30 minutes. When serving, add a crumble of dried cilantro or fenugreek leaves, and don't forget a squirt of citrus. And there you have it, folks. In under an hour, you have some healthy, tasty soup to last you the rest of the week. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.